Investment Analysis Report, Establishing a Cement Plant. Introduction. The construction industry is an essential sector that contributes significantly to the economic development of a country. One of the critical building materials required in the construction industry is cement. Cement is a crucial element in the construction of buildings, roads, bridges, and other infrastructure. The demand for cement continues to grow with the increase in construction activities, creating an opportunity for investors to invest in cement production. In this report, we will analyze the viability of investing in the establishment of a cement plant. Market analysis. The cement industry is highly competitive, with many established players and a few dominant players. The global cement market size was valued at $355.6 billion in 2020 and is projected to reach $551.7 billion by 2028, growing at a CAGR of 5.7% during the forecast period. The Asia-Pacific region is the largest market for cement, accounting for over 60% of the global consumption. This market is expected to continue to grow due to the increasing demand for infrastructure development in the region. Investment analysis. The establishment of a cement plant requires significant capital investment, which includes land, building, machinery, and labor. However, the return on investment in the cement industry is relatively high, with the average profit margin of cement manufacturers being around 20%. The cost of production of cement varies depending on the raw materials used and the production process. However, with the use of advanced technology and efficient production processes, the cost of production can be minimized, resulting in increased profitability. Conclusion. Investing in the establishment of a cement plant can be a lucrative opportunity for investors, given the high demand for cement in the construction industry. The Asia-Pacific region is a promising market for cement, with its increasing demand for infrastructure development. The initial capital investment required for the establishment of a cement plant may be substantial. However, with the use of advanced technology and efficient production processes, the return on investment can be significant.